Hi everyone, this is Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I am here today with a planner process video for the week of January 28th through February 3rd. And this is an Uncommon Plans design team project, but I'm doing a little different today. I am using a free mini kit that is available on the Uncommon Planners Facebook group, so I will link that below so you guys have a chance to test this out. I always have said this. I'm rather new to this, but I have said, and I do agree that I really enjoy using digital kits. Now I do have a Cameo Silhouette, and I've been using it for several years. I have a Cricut also. I prefer the Silhouette. So these files are ready to go into the Cameo and be cut. I buy sticker paper from onlinelabels.com. I get the matte sticker paper because it's less expensive, and you download it, or you download it from your computer and you open it up in your Silhouette, you print it and you cut it. It's already done. You don't have to fuss with it. So I really appreciate that about these kits and all the Uncommon Plans kits. Now this is a Happy Planner kit, and I am using my Paper House planner, so they do fit. As you can see, they fit in the boxes quite well. The only discrepancy is up at the top where you have your little footprints below the days. That is different, obviously, than the Happy Planner, which is good with me. I also have a Happy Planner and an Erin Condren planner that I'm going to be doing rewind videos in, so be sure you stay tuned for those. As I was talking, I did the entire sidebar, and I'll be referencing back to that, so I'll hit and miss. I like doing my layouts half a week at a time so that I can see it as a whole and that it looks pleasing to me. And right now I'm looking for something else, so I'm going to be pulling a box forward that has many different stickers in it. I'm actually looking for some stickers that I made. They were Weight Watchers or WW stickers, and I track my points and my weight in my planners. I think it's a good thing to do if you're, if you're trying to lose weight. So yeah, if you guys are interested in any of that whole Weight Watchers thing, just holler at me and I can tell you more about it in one of these videos. So back to the process. Now I have this green glitter strip that well, not all green, but this glitter strip that I stretch all the way across both sides of the layouts. And on the second, at the bottom of the second or middle row there, is that a row or a column? Yeah, that's a row. And that is where I house my Weight Watchers points, and I like them in the same place every time. I also, at the bottom, I've decided that at the very bottom of the page is going to be where I put my crafty projects, because I try to craft every day and I try to upload almost every day to YouTube, so I keep track of that information at the bottom of my planner. And I do have goals for my YouTube channel, and it's like I said before, it's just nice to track those kinds of things to keep yourself motivated and on track. So the sidebar there, I put one of the full box checklists, and there are 7 little parts in that checklist, and I use that for my dinner. I have a Hello Studio Co. little chef guy, and he's super cute. I use him to mark that that's where my dinners are going to go, and then I write all my dinners for the week in the sidebar. And I did notice that there are some chef stickers on the Uncommon Plans Etsy shop, so I will be definitely getting those so I can mix it up a little bit. I'm going to go down Monday because I've pretty much filled Monday out completely. I started with a full checkbox, and I just used the first few, I guess, little checks, and it's just about some meetings for the music boosters and stuff, and my daughter's jazz band class, I guess. And then I had a doctor's appointment, and then I went to pick up some vitamins. So I used the super cute little functional Kawaii pill bottle there. It has a little RX on it, so super cute. I got to do that, and if I ever have any questions in the future about when I had to pick up my vitamins or when my doctor's appointment was, I have it right there in front of me. And then I put a half box down at the bottom, and later I'm going to put one of the little trash can functional stickers because that is trash day. And then I told you that down at the bottom is going to be my kind of crafty spot, and at the bottom of Monday I put my that little laptop sticker. It's like a label that comes in the kit, and that is my Uncommon Plans video. And then what I'm doing now is I had just put that banner label. No, it's not a label. The banner checklist, and then I had put down at the bottom my BB craft video, but I didn't like it because it didn't separate it enough for me. Like I didn't have anything between the top of the list and that, but I just didn't like it, so I just put 2 glitter headers there and made my own little box and used the Doodle Corn Crafty Girl. And then on Wednesday, I went ahead and put a half box and put my ASC project tutorial on there. I'm a little bit off camera. I apologize for that. But I have up at the top on Tuesday, I have my last day. I'm on the HP ink, which I absolutely love. I recommend that to anybody. And it's my last day for ink, so I always put that in there. So I use all the ink that I can. And I use one of the little functional printer stickers, which is perfect for my HP last day of ink. And now I go to the second page. So I start with the full boxes just to give myself, I guess I don't want to say a base, but a good idea of where all my stuff's going to be. And I like using full boxes because it breaks up the page. And this kit is a mini kit, so it doesn't come with 8 full boxes of like graphics. It comes with 4 graphics, I think, and 4 full checklists. So I used the checklist as where I would normally put the little graphics, and then I put my bottom washi on, and then again right across the middle box there with those glitter headers, which is where I'm going to put my Weight Watcher points. And then if I was thinking, I would have cut those boxes, those heart boxes down, those checklist boxes down, because I told you I'm going to track my projects there, and I'm totally going to put another box right on top of it. So I should have cut those down, and I would have had more. I mean, I didn't need more, but I could have had that option if I wanted it, or put half in another box, or something like that. So I do my little points there, and then I'm going to put the weekend banner on. So I just put some glitter strips. I just kind of gauge where I think that the bottom of that weekend banner is going to fall, and it's pretty easy to figure that out. And I just put some glitter strips right underneath it, and then it gives that weekend banner something to sit on. And I use these half boxes. Again, I cover up those checklists, and I could have totally avoided having 2 layers of stickers there. And then I'm just kind of cutting things. Like, I know what's going to happen because I've already, I'm post planning. I don't know. I'm rewinding. So I know what's going to happen. So I know how much room I need to write everything down. So I cut down one of those banner heart checklists and put it on Thursday. And I just have some appointments, lessons. They canceled school again. My Weight Watcher meeting, and but I marked that out because I didn't get to go because I had a flat tire. So I wrote flat tire under there. Later, I'll separate that out with a glitter strip, so it's like I have a flat tire because I haven't got them yet, but I seen in the Uncommon Plans Etsy shop, they have some not so happy like script stickers. So like it says, you know, and I don't remember exactly what it says, and I probably won't say it on the video just in case little ones are watching, but something like, oh crap, or what a crappy day, or something like that. And so those are always fun to add too, because like I said, I would never say it on camera, well, intentionally, but I do talk like that in real life, and I think it's fun because maybe one day when my daughter's looking at this or something, she can say, "Yep, that's what Mom would have said." So, anyways, if you like that kind of thing, there's those stickers available, and I will I'll be sharing those with you here in the weeks to come. Okay, so as I was telling you about my flat tire and all that good stuff, I put one of the Doodle Corn planner stickers on Monday with the new release. And I always try to remind you, and I always forget, my code is JENN25, JENN25, if you are interested to get 25% off. They're already at a great price, so adding 25% off is just crazy. Then I put that full banner sticker down, and they canceled school again. I got the 2 new tires to replace 2 of the tires that were crap. And then I used some cute functional stickers. I used the Kawaii grocery bag on the bottom of Friday, and the Kawaii cameo on the bottom of Saturday, where I printed my stickers. Adding some glitter stickers and that little box, because I do have a flat rate box to mail out for a swap that I'm doing for my Country Craft Creations group. And then I just put another glitter header there so that I can just separate those from the regular checklist, because those are something that's something that doesn't happen all the time. So now, after I get all the basics done, I'm just going back and filling out the rest of my meal plan. I like to look at the layout as a whole and add the deco. So I'm just filling out some stuff that I forgot, and then I will go through the little deco and all the functional stickers and see where I have blank spots, I add deco, and where I need functional stickers, I will put them. So use the quarter box there to separate the bottom and the top, and the same with that glitter sticker. And then I guess I put 2 glitter stickers. One of them is going to provide a base for the deco, and I mean, you can just see how it kind of comes together, just filling in all those little spaces that I have left over with the different decos. So this is pretty much the last part of my video. I want to thank everybody for watching, and if you enjoy this, if you have any if you enjoy this, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions or maybe suggestions, just leave me a comment below, or if you have anything to say, leave me a comment below. I appreciate each and every one of you. I will see you next time, and have a great weekend. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.